friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of logout on the application of eBay. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about eBay app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of eBay. And then here you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.